Why you judging? We can't hear you. I'm too high, you're in my rear view. Keep on talking, we gon' get through. Cause what's life without some issues? Why you judging? We can't hear you. I'm too high, you're in my rear view. Keep on talking, we gon' get through. Cause what's life without some issues?
I'm more than fly, I'm a pretty calm guy. I hear these people judging and I don't know why. Is it cause I can spit it on a level you can't get with? Or maybe cause I stay up in your business getting digits? Which is it, man? I ain't really trying to get it twisted. I'm just living life, trying to do some things different. I started as a fuck up, was failing in class. Now I'm trying to get my bucks up, preparing to blast a couple mixtapes deep. But me cannot sleep while you trying to count sheep. I'm gone till next week on a train. Cause these rappers, they all lame. I'm just trying to chase my dreams while you trying to chase the fame. Damn, I used to ball for my home team. Now I ball on stage making tour cream. It sure seems that I'm living out your dreams, but you can make it too, that's a sure thing.
You judging, we can't hear you. I'm too high, you're in my rear view. Keep on talking, we gon' get through. Cause what's life without some issues? Why you judging, we can't hear you. I'm too high, you're in my rear view. Keep on talking, we gon' get through. Cause what's life without some issues?
All these self-conscious rappers bragging about themselves. Hey yo, I try to stay away, but sometimes I can't help. Cause my mind is spinning, trying to get it so we win it. And also got the thought of graduating in a minute in the back of my mind. Take it back to the time where cats would just kick it with drums, snare, clapping a rhyme. See, I'm the truth, always spit it matter of fact with my lines. Give your change to the homeless, stop talking about dimes. I'm influenced by the most significant flow, like the Mississippi smoke till I'm ignorant. And I don't give a shit about you bastards. I'ma pass on your raps like I took 2 classes. I blow right past you, wishing on eyelashes. God, please let me keep going, don't take me backwards. Spoke to the captain, he gon' make it happen. We gon' make it to the top, bitch, just
why you judging? We can't hear you. I'm too high, you're in my rear view. Keep on talking, we gon' get through. Cause what's life without some issues? Why you judging? We can't hear you. I'm too high, you're in my rear view. Keep on talking, we gon' get through. Cause what's life without some issues?
We gon' make it to the top this year. We gon' make it to the top this year. We gon' make it to the top. We ain't never gonna stop this here. We ain't never gonna stop this here. And we ain't never gonna stop. We gon' make it to the top this year. We gon' make it to the top this year. You know. And if my songs never drop, I swear, then I'ma still be here in spirit.
Why you judging? We can't hear you. I'm too high, you're in my rear view. Keep on talking, we gon' get through. Cause what's life without some issues? Why you judging? We can't hear you. I'm too high, you're in my rear view. Keep on talking, we gon' get through. Cause what's life without some issues?
Everything I used to dream being real right now, now. If it wasn't working, I'ma work it out, yeah. I keep on going till the lights go down, yeah. Till the lights go. Everybody wanna make millions, but not everybody been working. Everybody know they got brilliance, but not everybody been searching. Everybody rap about money and hoes, but they got neither. Everybody knows, always been keeping it real. Every time that I spit in the flow, I've been going to get it, they not gon' forget it. I've been going up, they been staying afloat. My music been personal, telling my stories. I'm telling the truth and my life been exposed. Talking to fans that we in it together. I'm never gon' turn even under the pressure. I'm keeping it true to myself. Don't matter to me if the curtains are open or closed. Everything I wanted, I got it. Always wanted more, so I'll never be stopping. Everyone asking when a new drop in. Pressure been building, but it's a good problem. Graduated college and now I got options. Always bringing more, all these rappers take caution. Always been bossing, everybody watching. Love every fan, just know you're not forgotten, no. Everything I used to dream being real right now. If it wasn't working, I'ma work it out, yeah. I keep on going till the lights go down, yeah. Till the lights go down, till the lights go down. I've been feeling alright, I've been taking what's mine. I've been running out of time, I'ma keep on going up till the lights. But not everybody been with me. Started with with a couple hundred plays now, but not everybody saw this me. I seen it coming, it was all or nothing. I knew the future gonna give me something. I put in the time, put in the work on my rhyme. Knew all along I was shine, I'm on down. Got a long way to go, won't slow down. I've been staying up too long now. Sun coming up and I'm in the zone now. I'm doing what everyone don't now. When the money won't change me. People thinking I'm crazy. Negative talk don't faze me. Focused on pleasing the people who raised me. Invest in myself, already knew the projection. Drowning in all of my wealth. Now money is people and blessings. Wishing that everyone started with millions of dollars and do what they wanted. I wonder how many would still go to college or follow the dreams and not worry about falling. It's real. Everything I used to dream being real right now, now. If it wasn't working, I'ma work it out, yeah. I keep on going till the lights go down, yeah. Till the lights go down, till the lights go down, I've been feeling alright, I've been taking what's mine, I've been running out of time. I'ma keep on going up till the lights go down.
You all about my business, yeah. I've been working hard, always keeping to myself. Why you acting like a witness, man? Tryna get a piece once I'm getting all this world. No, you don't need to get involved, no, you don't need to get involved, no. Now you tryna get involved, no, you don't need to get involved, no. Why you tryna get involved, no, you were never about the squad, no, you don't need to get involved, no. You don't need to get involved, I hate the way you think we're friends, you must be crazy. I've been working till the day's end. Like why you hating? I've been doing this for years straight. All 7 days, keep the practice till they fear Jay. That's on the way, flow is mean but I may seem nice. Illuminated by the glow of all these street lights. I've been dreaming miles up while taking these flights. Leaving ones who had my back just never seem right. It's my fucking team like I dot my eyes so no one will ever cross me. I'm getting checks like I'm in a game of hockey. She hold me down, at least one person has got me. I try to keep it humble, only face me acting cocky, yeah. And everything is going my way. Girl got the ass and she going my place. Rapping 603 and you know it's my state. Got some cash coming in, need to double my pay, ole. Why you all about my business, yeah. I've been working hard, always keeping to myself. Why you acting like a witness, man? Tryna get a piece once I'm getting all this world, no. You don't need to get involved, no, you don't need to get involved, no. Now you tryna get involved, no, you don't need to get involved, no. Why you tryna get involved, no, you were never about the squad, no. You don't need to get involved, no, you don't need to get involved, no. This isn't easy, there's things you need to sacrifice. There's so much more than dope beats, and if you're rapping nice, music's forever, want this bumping in my afterlife. Rappers make a meal with the flow, not even half as nice. I guess that's the game though, never gonna change, bro. People hit me like you different, sorry, you're the same hoe. Changing up the same flow, you're right, I'm feeling different. They complain about the game, just work hard and quit your bitchin', that's the mission. Visionary mindset coming through, once I make it big, I got the whole team.